Welcome to Healthcare Analytics. Today we will see the purpose of frame option in PROC report. So here I am using all the other options that we already discussed in other videos. If you haven't seen this, please watch the videos on rules, cell padding, cell spacing, etc. And we will currently focus on frame option. So the first one that I will look at is frame equal to void. So you can see frame is void in the first one. So I will use this option, and there are other options for frame which I have commented here. So let's generate the report. I will make it easy to see the difference. So currently we don't have an underline above the student information. So this is how it looks like, frame equal to void. Now I will make it frame equal to above, the second option. So I am commenting the first option. The rest everything is same. I am just using the second option. The better approach would be to just put it aside, and it will be much easier for you to understand. So currently I am using frame equal to void. I have removed the commented part. Now it becomes easy to see and understand. Instead of void, if I give above, let's see how it differs. Okay, the output is already open, so I will change the name of the output. And now you can see from the previous line, previously we didn't have an underline on top of student information. Previously we didn't have an underline over student information, but with this output, frame equal to above, we have a frame on the top, on above. So this is above the title, we have a frame. And if I just make it white, it becomes easy to differentiate. So here you can see there is an underline on top. Previously we didn't have an underline on top. If I have to compare it side by side, you can see here we don't have an underline on the right side, while we have, that is, one on the right is the void, frame equal to void, and one on the left is frame equal to above. So that's how it differs. We have an underline above student information on the left, but we don't have in the right side student information doesn't have an underline on top. It's overline, I don't want to say underline. We don't have a line on top of the title. So when you put frame equal to void, it doesn't have a line on the top. While when you put in frame equal to above, it will draw a line on top of the title. That's the difference between frame equal to void and frame equal to above. Now coming back to the next one, we will use below. We can also have a frame below. Now let's see how the output differs. So we can see here we have an underline here now. After William, at the end of after the last row, we have an underline, and it's intuitive, frame equal to below. So we are having a border at the bottom. Now let's make it frame equal to edge sides. Edge sides means horizontal sides. So we have frame top and bottom. It's a horizontal line. On the top and bottom we have a underline and a border actually. So that is frame equal to horizontal edges, horizontal sides, edge sides. Now let me make it V sides, vertical sides, and see the difference. Now we have lines, vertical lines on the left and right side of the page. It's a border. So this is how we can manipulate if you don't give anything default, if you don't give frame option, the default is all rules. For the rows and columns, everything is rules. You'll have all lines. Now if I remove the frame option entirely, what I get is a border actually around the output, a square border around the output. So this is how I get if I don't use the frame option at all. I hope this video was helpful in understanding the application of frame option in PROC report. If you like the video, please like it and subscribe it. Thank you.